Mmm. Woo! This is good. Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious one pot chicken and rice recipe. All right, so in this one pot recipe, we're going to be adding a few main ingredients, spinach and some tomato sauce. All right, so just stay tuned, guys, and continue to watch the video. All right, guys, so we're going to start today's recipe off by cutting our chicken thighs in two. All right, two pieces. So we're just going to split it in half. All right, so we're just going to rinse our chicken off real quick and then add our seasoning. Yes, guys. So right here, I have my seasoning. I have my chicken seasoning, complete seasoning, some Szechuan seasoning, garlic powder, smoked paprika, onion powder, and some curry powder. All right, so we're just going to mix these lovely ingredients together and then season our chicken. All right, guys, so we're just going to let our chicken marinate for about 30 minutes. Yes, guys, so we're just going to add a drizzle, just a drizzle of olive oil, not too much. Then we're going to add our chicken. And we're just going to sear it off a little bit. After you sear both sides, then just go ahead and add some water. And then we're going to add our tomato sauce and a few other ingredients. So the rice is the last thing that we're going to add, guys. We're just going to add about 2 to 3 cups of basmati rice, and that's it. You know, we're going to cook it down, and it's going to be good. So we're going to cook our chicken. First, we're going to cook our chicken for about 25 to 30 minutes, you know, because you want to make sure your chicken is cooked. All right. We're not doing that raw chicken stuff right now. So we want to make sure it's cooked, fully cooked. And then we're going to add our rice at about a 30-minute mark. And then we're going to cook the rice for about 15 minutes along with the chicken again. So just continue to stay tuned, stay watching. And yeah, you already know. Keep watching. So after searing your chicken for a few minutes, go ahead and flip him over. Yeah, man. All right, guys. So after searing your chicken for about 5 minutes, add some water. It's about 4 cups of water, hot water. So go ahead and pour it in. Give it a nice little mix. And then we're going to close our lid, guys, and cook our chicken for about 20 to 25 minutes on medium-high heat. All right? So continue to stay tuned, guys. All right, guys. So we're going to add about a cup of tomato sauce. Then we're going to stir it up a little. Stir it up. Then we're going to add some spinach. We have some spinach, carrot, about 4 tablespoons of butter, and some rosemary. And now we're going to add our rice with a little bit more water. All right, so this is 2 cups of rice. All right, guys. So once this comes to a boil, we're going to close the lid again, and then we're going to gradually turn the heat down to about a medium-low heat. All right. Yes, guys. Yeah, man. The one pot rice and chicken, one pot. Ready to go. Yes. So it's cooked down in tomato sauce with some spinach, carrot, green onion, you know, and all that good works, all the good stuff. Yeah, man. See it there? Yeah, and as you know, guys, I got to do a taste test real quick. All right? Yeah, man. Hey, guys, so once again, we're at the end of the video, finished product. One pot chicken and rice cooked down in tomato sauce with spinach and all the other beautiful ingredients. So right now, like I said earlier, we're about to do a quick taste test and let you know how it turned out. Mm. I'm trying to get a little bit of everything. So I'm trying to get the spinach, the chicken, a little carrot, see there? Mm. Wow. My God. Mm. Woo! This is good. So good. Yes, guys. Once again, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, share. All right? I'm out.